Hello friends, welcome back to another video. If this is the first video you are viewing on this channel, you're very much welcome. And if you have been seeing other videos, thank you for coming back. Now, the next constraint we will be considering is foreign key. So we have mentioned primary keys. Now let's go to foreign keys. How does foreign key make a constraint? So foreign keys are keys on a table that allows you to connect to another table's primary key. So using a foreign key constraint allows you to make sure that you don't break a connection. So once there's a connection and you have set a reference that, okay, this foreign key is to be connected to this primary key on this other table, once there is a problem with your foreign key that you're inserting, there would be a problem in you inserting it because it will let you know that, okay, this foreign key you're giving me is not on the table you want to reference, or it's not on the table you want to insert it to. Let's see how that works quickly. So I have my table definition here. I have defined customer ID as foreign key, and I put a reference that it should be referencing customers. So we already created our claim table before when we're talking about one other constraint. Now I want my customer ID. I put a customer ID on claim. So I created customer table. I don't know if you remember, where is our customer table? We have our customer table here, which is a unique key. Now I put a constraint on my my claim ID to be primary key, and then my customer ID on claim table to be the foreign key. That is a key coming from another table into the table. It doesn't belong to this table, but it allows me to connect this table to another table. So the reference is the customer table. So I have done that. Let's create this table. Now I want to insert into customer table where claim ID is 999. It doesn't allow me to insert into the claim table. Why? Because I set the customer ID on claim table to be 999. And if you check what values we have, instead of going up, let's select from customer, you see that there is nothing like 999 in our customer table. That is why this is not allowing me to create a 999 value. So I have to pick a customer ID that is on my customer table, and that's why I have my customer table. I have the unique values and I've inserted into them. So I have to pick a customer ID that is currently on my customer table. So I have to pick, let's say 100, and let's try inserting again into this. Now it can insert because it can reference the primary key on my customer table. So this is how foreign key puts constraints and allow you to have good data integrity. So there would never be a time where there is a row on a claim table that doesn't have its reference in the customer table. That is a very good constraint to have in a business setting. If you have watched the video to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel so that the YouTube algorithm will share the video with others like you that wants premium SQL content like this, or that wants to learn. So if you subscribe, you're also encouraging others to learn what you're learning. Kindly subscribe and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified that another video has been up. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.